Good morning, grade 3. My name is Salma Muhammad. I'm a math teacher. Welcome to MTS Academy. Let's start first with make a revision about grade 2. All lessons that you took it already before this year. Okay, last year, grade 2. Okay, let's start with make a revision first. That we have here revision. Okay, first thing, if you have number and you want to know the place value and the expanded form, all of these things, that's very important to know first when I'm talking about when I'm talking about numbers, digits, and place value and value. Okay, the first thing that we have here, we have this number called what? When you read this number, okay, you read it like 547. That's right. Okay, so start with right or left side. Start with left side. That's right. Start with hundreds with the big digit. Okay, we have 547. Okay, what about when I'm talking about place value? The place value of each digits here, we have three digits. The first digit, it will be 7. Okay, the place value of 7, let me see here, ones. That's right. What about the next one? Let's remember with each other. Okay, digit 4 will be tens. That's right. Okay, what about the last digit? 5, it will be hundreds. Okay, so we have three digits. All digits here have place value. When I'm talking about place value, when I'm talking about hats of the number. So we have ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, this is place value. What about value? The value of each number, of each digit, I'm sorry, of each digit here, of this number. Okay, the value of 7 first, 7 in 1, so 7, it will be the same number 7, just 7 things. Okay, what about 4? 4 here in tens place, so the value of 4, it will be 40. That's right. Okay, what about the value of 5 here? Value of 5 here in hundreds place, so 5, it will be 500. That's right, 500. Okay, what about here? The value of each digit here, we have 540 and 7. Okay, so this is the difference between the place value. When I'm talking about place value, it will be the hats of number. Okay, when I'm talking about the value, so you just tell me this number value of this, I'm sorry, the value of digits, what? Value of each digit here, what? 5 is 550 or 5, it will be 500. Okay, so 4, it will be 4 or 40 or 400, it will be 40 because it's in tens place. So make sure that you know the difference between place value and value. Okay, what the next things we have? Standard form. When I'm talking about standard form, you just tell me, you just told me that the actually number that you wrote it, the actually number. What's the meaning of actual number? The numbers that you have. We have what? 547. So standard form, it will be 547. The actually number that you write it or wrote it. Okay? Or read it, I'm sorry. Okay, what about expanded form? Expanded form here, when you separate each digit and tell me the value of each digit here. So when you collected each other and added each other, okay, with each other, it will give you the expanded form. So give me the value of each one and add it all together. The value of 5 here, it's 500. The value of 4 is 40. And the value of 5, it's, I'm sorry, 7, it will be 7. When you add it all together, it will give you 500 plus 40 plus 7. This is the expanded form, expanded form. So when we're talking about standard form, it will be the actually number. When I'm talking about expanded form, so separated each digit and tell me the value and then add it all together. Okay. What about the last thing that we have? Word form. When I'm talking about word form, you just want to write the whole number as letters, as words, okay? So it will be 547, like here, I just wrote it, okay? 547. Make sure that 40 without you, okay? This is the whole things about place value, value, and standard form, expanded form, and word form. Make sure that you know the difference between of them. And let's take another example. Okay, let's solve it with you. We have here this table. I just make it to make it easy for you. Okay, we have here what? Let me see. Okay, 934, 35. Okay, let's start first. Okay, we have here 935. This is what? How many digits we have? We have 3 digits. Okay, we have 3 digits here. Okay, 5, 3, and 9. Okay, so we have digits here. It will be 9, 3, and 5. What about when I ask you place value of each digit here? Place value of 9. Who can tell me the hats of number? Place value of 9. It's called hundreds. That's right. Hundreds. HUNDRED, and put it S because it's a plural number, so hundreds, please. What about 3? If you remember with me, that's right, it will be tens. Okay, 5, it will be in ones place. Okay, and I put it S because all these numbers are plural, okay? The next thing that we have value, the value of each digit here. The value of digit 9, it will give you what? The value of digit 9? 9 here in hundreds place. So the value of 9, it will be 900. Okay, what about the value of 3 here? 3 in tens place. So it will be 30. Okay, 5 in ones, so it will be 5. Just only 5. Okay. What about standard form? Standard form that we have. Standard form. Standard form, if you remember with me, it will be the actually number that you read it. That we have here, 935. Without make anything. Okay. We have word form. The next question about word form. Word, so you want to write it as a word. Okay, so it will be 9, N-I-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Okay, 930, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30 what? 35. So F-I-V-E. Make sure that you know all letters, how to write all letters, okay? All words here. Okay, the last thing, expanded form. Expanded form, if you remember with me, we just took the all value of all digits and added all together. So the value here, 935. So added all together, it will give you 900 plus 30 plus 5. Okay, now we solve all these questions. Let's take another one. This one here, let's take this one. Okay, we have here 261. 261, the same thing. How many digits we have? 3 digits. What's this digits? We have 2, 6, and 1. Okay, place value of 2, it will be hundreds. That's right. That's hundreds. What about 6? It will be in tens place. Because when I'm talking about place value, it will be the hat of numbers, the hat, ones, tens, and hundreds. But 1 here, it's a singular number, so talking about 1 here without S because it's a singular number. The value the number that you read it here. We read it 200, so it will be 200. What about 6? You read it as 60, so it will be 61. Just only one number. Okay. Standard form is actually numbers that you read it, so it will be 261 without change anything. Word form, word, it's like words, so read it as words. It will be 2, TWO. 100, HUNDRED. 200 what? 60. 60 what, Miss? 62. 60, I'm sorry, 61. So make a dash here, 61. Okay. The last thing that we have, expanded form. Expanded form. So you took all value of each digit here and added all together. So we have 261. So 200 added plus 60 plus 1. Because when we add the whole value of these digits here, it will give you the actually number 261. I hope you understand everything about this part, because this is very important for me to know the place value and value, standard form, word form, all of this very, very important. Make sure that you can know the difference between all of these things, and you know how to write numbers in letters, in words. Okay, 40 without you, as we know.